So over here, you can see that I have an Excel sheet right here, and I need to calculate out the total, discount, grand total, and sum right here, but I don't know the formula to any of it. So that is where Claude can actually be helpful. So what you can actually do is you can go ahead and see something like here. What I want is I want to take the quantity and multiply it out by price and get out the total. So I want to take the value of B2 and then multiply it to C2 and get the total. So I can simply go ahead and say in Excel sheet in B2 I got quantity and quantity right here, and in C2 I got price. Give me the formula to calculate the total. So I can simply go ahead and then say this. Even if there's a mistake, it'll actually know what you're trying to say. So I can simply go ahead and see that there's this formula. You can go ahead and paste this out, and there you go. You got the total right here. So now you can see that I got the discount section right here. And let's say for the discount, what I actually want is if the quantity is more than 3, I just want to give 5% discount. If it is more than 4, then 10%, and more than 6 is going to be 20% right here. So now to do that, I'm simply going to go around and type in the prompt for it. So I'm going to go ahead and say, now I want to calculate the discount percentage, and I want to go ahead and say, like, if the quantity is more than let's say 3, then discount should display 5% right here. And then if quantity is more than 4, then 10%, and if quantity is more than 6, then it should be, let's say, 20% right here. So now as I do that, I'm going to go ahead and say, give me formula for this. So as I were to actually go ahead and do that, what happens is that it gives me a complex formula, as you can see right here. And then I can simply copy this and paste it out in discount. And this is what you have. So I'm just going to go ahead and display it out as percentage right here. Click and drag it. And then now you can see that here the grapes quantity is just 3, so it's 0%. 4 is more than 3, so there's 4%. Then mango is 6, that is more than let's say, for example, 4, so that's 10%, and 8 is definitely more than 6, so it's 20% right here. So now I want to go ahead and say I got the total in D2 right here. So I'm just going to say total in D2, and I got discount in E2 right here. So I'm just going to say E2, give me formula to calculate final price. So I can go ahead and say this out right here. And as I do that, it'll go ahead and give me this particular formula. So I can simply go ahead and paste it out. And now after the discount, you can actually go ahead and see the grand total right here. So now I want the sum right here. So I'm going to go around over here, and let's say in column F, from, let's say, for example, from F2 to F6, I got the prices. From F2 to F6, I got all item prices. Give me formula to add them all. So as I were to go ahead and do that, what happens is that I will get this particular formula that I can go ahead and paste this out. And without even typing a single formula, you can see that I got the calculation. And even if I were to change it, you can see that everything updates out. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, you can go ahead and check out my tutorial series on it as well by checking out my tutorial. So this is what you have. As you can see, you can utilize Claude to actually generate out the formula for you easily. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.